In this video, I'll show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook so other people cannot see who you are connected with. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and after that tap Settings. Once the Settings page opens, scroll down until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Here, tap How people find and contact you. Inside this section, look for the option called Who can see your friends list and tap on it. Facebook will show you several privacy options. To hide your friends list from everyone, select Only Me. This means only you will be able to see your full friends list on your profile. If you prefer, you can also choose Friends so only your friends can see it. After selecting the option you want, the change will be saved automatically. Now your friends list will be hidden according to the privacy setting you selected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.